It's nearly Christmas. I got mint chocolate chip, hot chocolate, and it's yummy. Today, hi guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I have an advent calendar for you, and it is a BOOHOO advent calendar. I wasn't going to get any more advent calendars, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to get it. I saw it online, and I was like, I'm having that. It was 40 quid. I haven't looked at the contents at all, so I've got no idea what's in it. It might be shit. There might be absolutely nothing in it that's cruelty free, so I can't use it anyway. But this is the advent calendar. I got it from Very. This just says Beauty Advent Calendar, multi one size. But yeah, it was £40. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It kind of matches my hair at the moment. It's like I am a BOOHOO calendar as a person. Oh, it's pretty. I have no idea what's in it. So, if you like these videos, you know what to do. Let's have a look. Number one. If I can't see on it right away if it's cruelty free or not, I will research it and put it on the screen. Anything that is not cruelty free, I will be putting into my giveaways in December. I'm doing one giveaway per day. The reason cruelty free stuff is still going, not cruelty free stuff, is still going in the giveaways is because I started collecting my giveaway stuff months ago, and that was when I wasn't cruelty free. So from January, any giveaways I do will also be cruelty free, and I will try and make these ones as cruelty free as possible. I am buying more bits whenever I go anywhere. If I see something nice, I am getting a couple of little bits to add into them to make them more cruelty free, but for now I'm working with what I've got. So the first thing looks beautiful. It is Makeup Revolution, or I Heart Makeup, which is a Makeup Revolution umbrella. So I assume this is cruelty free. And it is a lipstick, and I really hope I can use this. I'm going to Google this one immediately because I want to swatch it because it looks so pretty. All the Makeup Revolutions are cruelty free, so I'm happy with that. And this is called Dipped, and it is a liquid lipstick. Got a weird applicator. It's like a little sponge on the end. You're going to come out. Oh, here she comes. That does not... Dipped. Look at that colour. I assumed it was going to be this colour. It looks fucking... It's orange. That's not right. That's not right, is it? That's not right. That looks weird. How is that anything to do with that? That is the colour on the packet. That is the colour in the box. What? I mean, it's a lovely colour, but I wanted that. Gutted. Let's get a makeup wipe. Not a makeup wipe. Not a makeup wipe. I don't use makeup wipes. A bit of cotton. I do not use makeup wipes. I use cotton buds and reusable cloths. Thank you very much. Number two. Oh, it's eyelashes. This is Eyelashes by In Vogue. No idea. They're quite pretty. They're a bit long and wispy. I don't think I'd probably wear these. These long bits are very curly, but they're pretty. Nice. Number three. Oh, yay! I love these. I've got so many of these. If you're not sure what it is, I'm just going to demonstrate it for you. It's a bow tie. No, it's not a bow tie. It's not a bow tie. Look. It's to hold your hair back when you're doing your makeup or a face mask. That's lovely. Nice and soft. Number four. Oh, it's like there's nothing in it, but it's tiny. This is a Tanologist face and body drops. 1 to 2 drops to your favourite moisturiser, mix together and apply to your skin. Oh, that's interesting. So you add that to your moisturiser and then it turns your moisturiser into like a fake tanner. That's interesting. Let me know if you have used that. That's a teeny tiny sample. That is like, that's 4 ml. So that is microscopic. Knife is here. It's, I think it's a pencil because it is, yeah, it's tiny. I couldn't actually see it. So this is Rimmel. And it is a lip colour. Rimmel is not cruelty free, so I'm good job I didn't swatch that. It looks like a really lovely colour. It's called Call Me Crazy. But they are not cruelty free. Nope. Not cruelty free. I'm putting that in the not cruelty free pile. Number 6 is a huge one up here. Ooh, Skin Academy Soothing Sheet Masks. 2 sheet masks in here. These are cruelty free. They've got the bunny on the back. These look nice. Skin Academy Pure Soothing Sheet Mask works as a soothing agent for skin, leaving your face fresh, purified and revitalised. Lovely. We all love a sheet mask. Number 7, down here. Ooh, these will go to my giveaway because I've got like 9 pairs of these. I don't ever use them ever. They are eyelash curlers in like a pretty rose gold coppery colour. Very nice. Number 8. This was all paid for with my own money, by the way. Just want to put that out there. Oh, it's another thing that I've already got. This is I Heart Revolution, and this is an eyeliner in Angel. I have got this one and I've got the white one as well. So this is cruelty free, so this will go into the giveaway, but I've already got it, and it's just a pink shimmery holographic-y eyeliner. Really pretty. Number 9. Oh, bubble tea. Bath pearls. Is bubble tea cruelty free? I do not know. These gorgeous oil pearls release a beautiful fragrance, enhancing your senses. Drop 1 to 2 pearls under running water. Wait for the pearl to burst and release the bath oil. Swirl and mix. So there's that. I'll put it on the screen if it's cruelty free or not. Number 10 is a big one down here. Oh, I've just ripped the door off. This is the Hand brand with manicure stick, cuticle revitalizer, stick and file. I'm not going to open that now, but that just looks like a, I think it's one of the pencils you put it all around your cuticles and then push them back, and it just makes them so they're not horrible like mine. Can you hear my belly? Making little fart noises. That's interesting. Here's number 11. 11 is a little one over here. It's a nail varnish and it's Rimmel and it's a beautiful colour, so I'm gutted. Really pretty. It's called All Shelly. It looks lovely. It's just like a nice nude nail varnish, which I like, but that is not cruelty free. And what are we up to now? 12. 12 is a little one again. I've got one of these as well. This is going into the giveaway. This matches the other one. It's you put your eyelashes on with it. Where's mine? Mine's here. Look, it's one of these. I'm not going to take this one out of its packet. But it's like this, and you grab the eyelashes with it, and then you can put them on like that. Mine is disgusting because it's covered in glue, mascara, and gross. 13 is another little one up here. This is Sleek. Sleek is completely cruelty free, and this is called Shattered Glass, and it is an intense glitter effect lip topper. Let's have a look. Oh my god, it's pretty. I feel like I've had one of these before. Really pretty. Look at that. That's like glitter lips, but just as a topper. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Yeah. What number was that? I'm already forgotten. Right, we're halfway through. 13. Where's 13? No, that's 16, Lucy. Use your brain. Have I just done 13? Just done 13. Keep up. Where's 14? 14 is here. Carmex. I've got so many of these. This will go into the giveaway. I think Carmex is cruelty free. I feel like they're cruelty free. It might not be though. I've got these in every handbag. This is like the best lip balm, so I'm gonna be gutted if this is not cruelty free because I love them. 15 little diddy one down here. Oh, it's a beauty blender. No idea the brand because it's just a random drug dealer bag. You can't ever have too many of these. Doesn't smell of anything. I don't know why I thought it might, but that's nice. 60 up here. It's a tall one. Ooh, Easy Brow. Never heard of this. Oh, this is cruelty free. Lovely. Oh, medium dark, just my colour. Perfecto. Get out of your plastic prison. Plastic cardboard prison. Literally never heard of this before. Pretty packaging though. And then, so this end is a brow pencil. Nice colour for me. And then the other end is a spoolie. Love that. 17. Down here, it's a big one. It's a tanning mitt. I've got this. I've literally got this. I think this is it Skinny Tan? Or is it a different brand? I've literally got this exact one. So this can go in the giveaway. This is really good. A tanning mitt for when you want a fake tan and you don't want orange hands. That's nice. 18 is a tall one over here. Oh, I've got this as well. Literally got this in the drawer. Exactly the same. So I'll keep my one. This one's all still sealed, so that can go in the giveaway. 19 is down here. Sleek. Oh, a highlighting palette. Let's have a look at you, baby. I love sleek highlighters. This is in Love Shook. I think everyone started off with a sleek Solstice palette, didn't they? Oh, see, they're not my colours at all. I'm going to put that in the giveaway because I literally couldn't use any of them. They're all too dark. Possibly this one, but you got a little brush as well. Not going to touch them. Everyone starts off with this, don't they? The sleek one. Look how well used it is. This is my second one of these I've had. And the only one I could probably use is the pink, which is similar. Look, that's basically the same colour, the top two. This one that I've used and that one. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway because that will just get wasted. I don't want to waste it. We don't want to waste things, do we? Let me put the little doodad back in. And I'll put the little sticker back on it. There we go, lovely. I've just left my highlighter on my bed, looking gross. What number was that? 19, 20, 20, 20. And 20 is going to be a lipstick. Nail varnish. This is Barry M. I think Barry M is cruelty free. That is beautiful. Look at that. That is so pretty. I'll put it on the screen if it's cruelty free or not. That is gorgeous. That is in the colour Majestic Sparkle. Fancy pants. 21 up here. It's quite a big one. Ooh, that's what she said. Get out. What are you? Reusable. More lashes. Eyelure. More lashes. Reusable 5 wears. Do we not all just reuse our lashes? Are we not supposed to reuse our lashes? If you clean them properly. It says vegan friendly glue. So we'll see. They look really pretty. I would definitely wear those. So we'll see if they're cruelty free or not. What number is that? 21. 22 is up here. So nothing going in a giveaway. I've got 2 of these. I've got 2 of these in my fridge. Jade roller. These are amazing. They're like my favourite things ever. Mine, keep them in the fridge, which is where mine are. And then you can, if you can have space for a skincare fridge, then put it in your skincare fridge. But who's got space for a skincare fridge? Not me. So mine is just next to my cheese. But keep it cold, and then when you do like a face mask or anything, you can roll it on. And in the summer, they're just amazing to cool you down. You lucky sausages. This isn't all going into one giveaway, by the way. It's one giveaway per day in December. 22, 23 is here. A sheet. Ooh, is that a sheet mask? 3-step mask. Oil controlling T-zone mask, foaming face wash, and precision buffing pad. Ooh. Not tested on animals. This is cruelty free. I'm keeping this business. That looks lovely. Look at the little thing. It's not tested on animals. Cute. And 24 is here. It's revolution, which means I can keep it. Right, there's no 25, is there? That can go away. This is a chocolate orange mini eyeshadow palette. Cute, cute, cute. Get out. Look. So cute. Pretty. I love those colours. Fine, I'll test them. Oh my god, that's nice. Ooh. Let's do that one. They're so soft. Look at them. I'm going to do them on palm because I've got no other space. Ooh. Pretty. That one just needs to go all over my whole face. And that one. So that is a mess. I really liked it. If I wasn't doing the whole cruelty-free thing and trying to do that with everything, then that would be, I mean, it's a really nice calendar anyway. I really like the calendar. But yeah, I think that, I don't know, is it good value for money? I feel like it's good value for money. Like, there's a lot in there, and it's like, I don't know, I'll try and add it up and see if I can find prices of things, and I'll put it on the screen if I have time. I might not have time to do that, but if I do have time to do that, I will put it. But I paid £40 for it on Very. So, and I think I paid £5 for next day delivery because that was my only option. It was either Hermes, who won't deliver to me, or DPD for £5, who do. So I did DPD. The only thing I'm a bit confused about is the lipstick. Would you assume that this was the colour you were going to get? Or am I being thick? Because it doesn't say a colour anywhere. I assume Dipped was the colour. Like, that's a sort of an autumny colour. I don't understand this super coral. I don't know. Let me know if I'm being thick on that one. But yeah, if you like the videos, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.